I'm Justin Thomas. I'm originally from Vegas, second year at LS Fest. Brought my 1951 Henry J. Originally found it on eBay. Thought I'd come out for the grudge racing. When I first found it, it was supposed to be a Pro Street build actually. Had a small block ready and was gonna do a big blower and gear vendors, and then found sloppy mechanics and was converted to LS. It was all original when I got it. Had the original Kaiser 4-cylinder engine all rebuilt. That went to the dump. Got the LS in there. It's a 6-liter, cam springs, Holley intake, turbo 400. It was a 9-inch rear end with quick spool or quick performance parts in it, and we just ran our first 9. Had the Holley HP for probably 8 or 9 years at this point, and it saved a lot of engines because I'm not a tuner. Very happy with it. Got the Holley dash recently. Happy with that too. Definitely plan to be back next year. Hopefully be a little faster. I try to be back every year that you have it. This is the best event for me every year. Something to look forward to.